Hello, crafty friends. Let me introduce to you a new AGF fabric collection by Maureen Cracknell. Love Story Fabrics. In this collection, enjoy warm hues and heartwarming romantic designs. What would you make with Love Story fabrics? Phoebe says bandanas, bone pillows, and a nice comfy bed for her to sleep. Phoebe also loves quilts, especially ones with hearts mixed with AGF denim. Give one of our free quilt patterns a try, which can all be found in the Love Story Lookbook. Don't forget to make a matching decorative throw pillow to go with your quilt. Got an empty wall to fill? Love Story Fabrics calls for EPP and fussy cutting works of art to hang in your home. Looking for a great scrap buster? This braided floral garland is another great wall hanging decoration to add to your home. Sleep soundly with this gorgeous fabric dream catcher. Now that your home is full of projects, don't forget to make something for yourself. This collection calls for flowy blouses made with AGF rayon and comfy dresses with cute gathers and details. Want to see more? Check out the lookbook to find patterns for many of these projects and so much more. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for fun fabric videos, sewing tutorials, and so much more. Enjoy the pages of the lookbook. See you next time for the release of the new AGF Capsules Lookbook. Love always from the AGF crew.